Hi, it's Michael back with you from the ASP Product Training Room. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the features and proper application of our revolutionary new transport kit. Available in belly chain or lightweight and quiet belt configurations, the transport kit integrates with our equally revolutionary rigid ultra cuffs, an exclusive restraint system that you can learn more about elsewhere in our video library. The chain or belt connects directly through the cuff frame, so the subject remains fully secured and controllable at all times. Whether applying, adjusting, or removing the transport components, the handcuffs never need to be removed. The exclusive positive action lock engages without a key inserted. The key is only used to remove the lock. The cuffs are worn in front of the body, making them ideal for sitting in vehicles and courtrooms, yet their rigid construction limits mobility to ensure the control isn't compromised. All of this adds up to increased safety for both officer and subject. Applying the transport kit is fast, easy, and efficient. Working safely from behind and to the side of a subject with outstretched arms, the cuffing officer applies first the top cuff, then instructs the subject to move the bottom arm into position and cuffs the bottom. The assisting officer passes the chain around the subject, and the tongue of the transport kit is passed through a link of the chain and then through the slot in the center of the cuffs. The positive lock is engaged and tested, and any excess chain is clipped snugly to the back of the subject. Once that's done, the cuffs can be checked again for fit and double locked. Let's run through that again, this time using the transport belt instead of the belly chain. The procedure is exactly the same. Follow proper rigid cuffing procedure, then pass the belt around the subject, the tongue of the belt through the appropriate hole, and then through the slot in the center of the rigid cuffs. Apply the positive lock and test it, and then take the excess belt and button it securely behind the subject. Once the subject is secure, you can test the cuffs for fit and double lock. Again, that's just a quick overview of the basic steps involved in applying the transport kit. Of course, there's no substitute for proper, thorough instruction, and that's a very big deal to us here at ASP. In fact, we train law enforcement officers around the world in the integrated use of restraint systems along with batons and tactical flashlights. And you can learn more about those programs at the training section of our website, asp-usa.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video interesting. Whether it's a patrol car, courtroom, correction facility, or aviation security protocol, I hope you'll agree that the transport kit should be standard equipment. Thanks for your time.